How to personalize your Samsung keyboard with background image on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Now here's a click on Play Store app and click on search and search Good Luck. Sorry. So first of all, install Good Luck. After installing, go back to home screen, go to App Library and click on Good Luck app, and so first of all install theme part, so click on this icon. So after installing, click on theme and click on keyboard and create new. So you will select and you will select color from here. So after select color, so select image from here. After select image, click on download, click on apply, done. Go back and click on this icon, enter name. You will see, apply, go back to home screen and click on messages app and open keyboard. You will see. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh one. So that's how you can personalize your Samsung keyboard with Google background image on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.